People are always chasing new, shiny objects. We seem to believe that marketing automation or the latest social network is the best way to grow our business. But if everyone is doing it, how can you stand out? Simple. What have they all left behind? The answer is personal relationships. Personal Funnels takes the best ideas from automated sales funnels and applies them to a system for growing your business through personal relationships. You will learn a step-by-step process for finding and fostering the right relationships to grow your business. This includes funnel hacking, or reverse engineering the wins that you and others have had in building profitable business relationships, so you can find the fastest route to success. Also, during the workshop, you will complete prompts, so that by the time we finish, you will have identified 2 of the most promising relationships and created funnels and value ladders for each person. That's really just a fancy way to say that you'll map out a step-by-step strategy you can follow to encourage each person to more fully like and trust you. Hi, I'm Matt Cilderman, educator and agency owner. I can't wait to teach you the same skills I use to grow from a freelancer to become an agency owner working with multi-million-dollar clients. Often social anxiety can hold us back from meaningful relationships, but when your mission is to help people, this becomes a lot easier. And I know that selling makes us feel sleazy and brings additional anxiety, but some of the goals of this workshop is to teach you to look for the win-win situations where you can help the other person and grow your business at the same time. So when you have the right mindset, the right goals, and the right plan in place, we remove all barriers and you'll be able to scale your business through deeper relationships. I can't wait to work with you, and I hope to see you soon. There's limited seating, so make sure to click the link in the description below to find out more about the workshop.